Shankar.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated musicians Ustad Zakir Hussain, Rakesh Chaurasia, Shankar Mahadevan, Selva Ganesh V and Ganesh Rajagopalan for winning the Grammy Award for the Best Global Music. Prominent Indian musicians Shankar Mahadevan and Zakir Hussain's fusion band Shakti bagged the prestigious Grammy Award today. They clinched the award in Best Global Music Album category for their latest album This Moment. Meanwhile, Zakir Hussain also bagged the Grammy in Best Global Music Performance category for his contribution to Pashto alongside Bella Felic and Edgar Maya featuring Rakesh Chaurasia. The 66th Annual Grammy Awards 2024 are being held at Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles today. Deputy Prime